So that's pretty level, and that's level as well. So it's level both ways. Yo, what's up, man? This Unique Plaza coming at you straight from the job site, right? I got two questions for you. Someone asked me, how do you know what height to set the laser? And another question was, how does the laser work? This is the extended clip on how I laser button with direct clips. Coming right at you. I've already marked all my measurements at 450. So I'm gonna chalk line it. That's a nice straight line. It's good to have a nice straight line. You need to find the lowest point of the ceiling before you start, direct fixing your clips. I'm using the DeWalt, right? It's a very good laser, very cheap compared to other lasers, and it does a very good job. Biggest tip I can give you about self-leveling laser is if it starts flashing, it means it's not very level, so you gotta make sure when you're setting it up, it doesn't flash. Tap the laser on, that's how I put it on, just sit it on there just like that. What you wanna do is you wanna sit it right, so it's not flashing, keep it straight. I wanna go as tight as I can to the ceiling, but allowing my lowest point of the ceiling, I need to allow for that. So I'm using Rando 314 direct fixed clips. Same as the buttons, the Rando, I can't pronounce it right, so I'm gonna put a link below. The best part about these clips is this point here. This really helps if you're working by yourself. I'm gonna see my button up. I'm gonna put my clip on. Get my pencil, right? Put it underneath, the trusses and the button. So what I can do right now is get my hammer. Just hit that part I just showed you. See how it's staying up there? That's the best part about these clips. Alright, get my other clip. Now I'm gonna screw in the middle of the clip. Same thing, so just sit on the timber over there. That's the basics. So right now it's not very level because all I did was use my pencil, right? This truss and that truss could be on a different height. But the fact that I have this gap, it allows me to go up and down. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get this guy that comes in a box when you buy the laser, or you can use a tape, it doesn't matter. You just wanna keep it the same distance from there to the laser line, right? So I like using this because it's magnetic. You know what I mean? Yeah, so check it. So with the laser, right, the best thing about this laser is the fact that you can adjust it, right? So the laser can turn like this, but it can also go up and down. I get my laser line right on the bull's eye right there. I like to always start off right in the middle of the laser. It helps a lot because I never forget. Sit it right there, so that's pretty good, but I want to bring it just a little bit lower. So I'm gonna come back to my laser and slowly pull it down. Slowly. You gotta really take your time on this part. Oh, that's good. That's good, I like that. So far I've only screwed the middle of the clip. I screwed the middle so I can still adjust the clip. So same thing. That's where I want my laser line. So I want this guy sitting where my laser line is, right? The laser. Yeah, so right there is pretty good. So I got it on my line. So this should be level now, right? I'm just gonna do the same thing this side to show a better example. Get my clip, sit it down. What I wanna do is I wanna screw the middle of the clip, because then I can adjust my my height like that. And you wanna have that on the middle of the line, like I said, where the 5 and 2 is. There. So I'm very happy with that. So when I do that and I'm happy with that sitting, I'm gonna finish it off by screwing one of the top. Finish it off, and that day is secure, right? So I'm gonna do the same thing here. Quick, and that's good. Finish it off. I don't know what to call this, but you can see how I got my line there, but I'm also getting the same line over here. So that means my button is nice and straight as well as level. So that's one good tip. Finish it up. With the ceiling height, how the framers do their work, yeah, they've allowed for me to be able to put the clips and buttons on. I can adjust my height around that 50 mil range, so I can go tight to the timber, or I can bring it down as low as 50 mil and I'm still covered with the width of my plaster. So, but like I said, so that was very level this way. Yeah, so that's pretty level, and it should be level. So that's level as well, so it's level both ways. I hope that answers your question, man. That's how I put up a laser. Also, make sure you let me know what you want me to do next, because if this helps, I got more tricks under my sleeves, man. So definitely do subscribe, do follow, do comment, and let me know what you think. If this was your kind of video, let me know. But yeah, there you have it, G. Peace out.